Hello. So I am going to be showing you how to use the school management software for Acadasuite. So firstly, we would demonstrate how to access the system. So you log on to portal.acadasuite.com, as you can see on my screen. It brings you to this page. So you input the school ID. Every school has its own school ID. So this is how we identify every unique schools. So in this case, I'll be using 333 666. Then you log in. So now you can log in as a student, parent, staff, or admin. So I'll be logging in as an admin to set up the school information and every other basic thing. So I'll be using this username and password. You'll be giving your own username and password respectively. Then I sign in.